Hello, welcome back. In this video we will discuss about the pattern 2. Okay, this is pattern 2. As you can see here, okay, this is in the buy trend, this is in the sell trend. I mean, left side is the buy trend, right side is the sell trend, as I have mentioned in my previous video. See, the same is here. In the previous video we have taken a bit of buy here at this area. Okay, at this area we have bought, we have sold at here, it also works. Okay, it works. This is the same pattern. This is not exactly same pattern. What I mean is, if the price comes down here, you can take a buy here also. Okay, so before that, as you can see, there is a bit of a support becoming a resistance here. So in that area we can see a little bit of bounce. It is not necessary that the price should go up here. Okay, this is a bit of a bounce area, simple as that. Okay, nothing else. So these are all the bouncing areas. As you can see, one support turning into one resistance here, multiple support here, but the price bouncing at the same area. The first time when it touches, it is very much important. Okay, the first time when the price touches the same sell trend, as you can see, when the price touches the first time, it is very important. See here. Okay, let's move on to the examples and the pattern explanation. Okay, let's consider in the recent trend, same as we have discussed. See here, the price drops. Okay, goes up and down, and when the price reaches the this is the resistance which has become a support here. Okay, as you can see, the price dropping from that area. See here. Okay, okay, now let's consider in the buy. Consider this as a buy. Okay, it's in a buy, a small bit of a drop here. From there the price reaches above, and when it comes to that area, as you can see, the price bounce has happened in that area. See here, it happens. Okay, surely it happens most of the time. Okay, let's consider this the sell trend. Consider that we are in a sell trend, but the price hasn't reached here. Okay, even in the in this case I have taken this here. Okay, but as you can see here, there is a bit of one more area, so we can take this two also. When the price touches here, it drops. Okay, let's consider here it is a buy, up, down, so it becomes, there is a bit of a resistance here, which becomes supports, and it moves up. Okay, when it comes to the same price, as you can see, it happens. There is a bit of bounce here. See, this is the zoomed in version. I went on to the H4. As you can see, down, up, and again from that area it bounces. Okay, So it's actually everywhere. As you can see the price here, I went back to 2017 actually, goes up. The more the market moves up, it is better. When it comes down, it is better, very very better. Okay, this is likely to bounce from there. So it happens all the time. See, here goes up. When it comes down to that place, you can see a bounce. Okay, same here. It drops, big massively from top to bottom. This place, right? Yes. When the price reaches there, as you can see, okay, this is the first time. Is very very important. It might have happened during the news, but it works beautifully. Okay, 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 let's move to USTJPY and see some examples. See here, and recently up down bounce. Okay, see here, exactly up down up. Now the support has become a, the resistance has become a support. From there, as you can see, the bounce. Okay, you can take this now. Okay, once it touches, see here, when it touches the first time, it bounces perfectly. Minutely, it goes to 20 to 25 pips, and even if you can wait, it moves to 70 pips. Okay, it's really good. Not only that, I have taken in the sell trend direction. Comes down, it stops here and forms a clear, it forms a clear support here, and later on it drops. Okay, one more support here. I have marked both. Okay, see if it works. Once the price goes up for the first time, you can sell. Okay, once it goes to the first time, you can sell there. It's a good one. It's a good place to scalp actually. Even if the price didn't print here, it usually what it does is it goes to this price, as in the price candle. It touches and does this. See here, exactly this. So your order would be here exactly or above it if you are trying to sell. Okay, because there is a bit of a exact price. It's not a bit of, it's the exact price, 107.124. So when it touches here, usually what the price is does in 15 minutes or in 1 hour, as you can see, goes there. Once it touches, goes above, and it comes down like this. So you are already in profits when it's in down. Okay, so grasp that, simple as that. Okay, let's consider this as a candle, same to this. Okay, yes, I'm gonna show you one more example of how the pattern works. See here, goes up and down. Okay, it goes down massive, it misses here 1 2 3 few times, and later on it goes on to touch the first time, and it goes on to drop big. This is one of the biggest entries even in the long term. Okay, so do not ignore it. This is your scalping price from exactly. If you place some sell limit here or some pending orders, if you have sold here, you might have been good profits actually. So very good pattern to trade, so do not ignore it. Okay, very very important. As in longer term pattern also, it is very much important. In shorter term bounce, this is one of the best places which I have never seen filled. Almost I have seen it every time. There are some few rare exceptions. Okay, I will say that, for example, news and etc. I will discuss that in the later session, later part of this course. Okay, when should you scalp and when you should not scalp, that is different entirely. I hope this is very clear. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.